Welcome to the vlog. It's been a while. Sorry I haven't vlogged in like the longest time. I haven't really had anything to vlog about, so here we are. I am actually just on my way to work and it's Christmas week, so I just thought I would vlog some bits and bobs throughout the week because I've got a few things going on. I'm actually going to an event tonight with my friend John, so that's quite exciting. We're going to a rooftop bar in Birmingham called Orel. There's like a few bits and bobs throughout the week, so I just thought I would vlog it. And there we go. Guys, we've just finished at the event and they've had to shut the whole of Cornwall Road because there's apparently an electrical fault. We weren't sure. Me and John literally, John's here, we literally went into the toilets and we came back out and the entire place was empty. And we were like, what the fuck did we do? Like, why is everyone left? And yeah, it turns out they told us that it was a fire and now it's not a fire, now it's an electrical fault. Very rogue. So now we're just walking back to the office to get changed so that I can go home and get out of these clothes. But did you have a fun time?
Yeah, it was really fun while it lasted.
While it lasted. What did you think of the drinks?
The drinks were exceptional. The coffee one was the best.
Oh my god, the coffee one.
The lemon one was great. That's all I remember.
Welcome back to Christmas market. Good morning, it is Friday. I'm just making myself a coffee at the moment so I can head to work. I'm just wearing this. It is the last day before Christmas. Woohoo! So excited to be breaking up. I feel exhausted. If you can't tell, the eye bags are working overtime. Yeah, I'm really excited. We are going for drinks after work as well. I mean, I'm dressed for that, but who cares? It's Christmas. I feel like that's my excuse for everything at the moment. It's Christmas. My house is a mess, so sorry about that. But yeah, take you along with me. Might even vlog my little work day out. Who knows? But yeah, Merry Christmas. Hello again. So it is now Saturday. Woo! It is Christmas Eve tomorrow. I've just got ready and I'm about to head out to go to Starbucks for a coffee to drop some presents off and say hi to Frosty before I go to my parents for Christmas. And yeah, I literally love this. It's like a bomber jacket type style thing. It's so cute and cozy. It's from Boohoo. I absolutely love it. It very much reminds me of like one that Molly May has worn, like from Zara. It was quite cheap actually as well. I will link it down below in case you're interested in it because she's very cute. I've just shot some reels today as well. This is my like little shooting space and this is the aftermath. Content creators will relate. Just trying to get ahead of all of like the stuff I need to do before Christmas. I actually still haven't wrapped my presents. Don't know when we're gonna do that, maybe tonight. And yeah, I haven't been food shopping, so I have no milk. Love that for me. Yeah, it's really not going very well. I need to be more organised. That is my New Year's resolution for 2024, is to be more organised because, yeah, this ain't it. With Frosty. What have you got?
Just a simple hot choco.
Nice. We're just taking pictures, transferring the content as you do. Got a caramel iced latte. I made it hot and then I had to be that person that asked for it cold.
We don't like hot coffee.
I mean, I actually like both, but when it starts, I prefer a cold iced drink. And then they put cream on it, which was actually a nice little extra today. Good morning. It is Christmas Eve, which sounds weird saying that because it's the morning. But anyways, I'm currently in the process of packing, you can see it there, and I'm getting ready to go home to my parents for Christmas, which is exciting. I feel like there's so much for me to pack. Before anyone says it, I know that this looks excessive because I've got a huge suitcase, but my other suitcase actually broke. Let me show it you. I have this other suitcase which is like a mini version, and where's your wheel gone, hun? Literally crossing the street in Manchester, it's actually quite a funny story, and the whole wheel just snapped off. So then I was dragging it around Manchester like this. Love that for me. So we need a new one of these. Not yet. We're gonna open our presents.
This is yours.
Come on then. Merry Christmas, pig. Merry Christmas. Oh gosh, all the fuss this morning. Look how cute this little present is. Molly did a little bow. How cute. Guys, Santa heard me. We've got a new suitcase with 4 wheels. Can we believe it? It's actually so nice. The colour is just amazing. Literally love. This one, ultra strong, shouldn't break. Wow, look at you. Hey, little buddy. Show me a costume.
Bombastic side eye.
Managed to get the wardrobes home. We've just lifted them up the stairs. Oh my goodness, almost broke my actual back trying to get these things up the stairs. It is so heavy. I've got some drawers and stuff as well. So yeah, super excited. I'm gonna build this on Saturday with my mum, I think, because this is too much of a job to do all by myself. And there's so much to do with it too, like actually putting all the stuff into my wardrobe, and I'll probably show you that part because the actual assembly is going to be an absolute nightmare, I think.
It is New Year's Eve. We've managed to get the wardrobe up. However, stupidly managed to pick up the wrong sized drawers for the wardrobe. So currently it has nothing in it, which is great. I need to go back to IKEA today to pick up the right drawers so that I can actually start to fill it. And we're gonna go out in Leamington later. So really excited for that. The whole IKEA situation has completely thrown me off. So gonna go and pick up these new drawers today and hopefully get it sorted.
Back again. Get the right ones this time. Right then, so I've just managed to get one drawer in. Woohoo! And it literally like pulls out. I mean, I've got the door open at the moment so it doesn't pull out, but woohoo! We're rocking and rolling now. Just 2 more to go and then I've got a shelf to put in. Guys, she's complete. Oh my goodness, this has taken hours, literal hours, but we're almost there. All I've got left to do is put these little door handles on. But the tray comes out, we've got like the drawers that come out, and I've just got a little rail at the top which I can put all my hanging like hoodies and stuff like that. And then this, I think I'm gonna get like a felt insert for this, and I'm gonna use it for sunglasses, maybe some other accessories. And it's done, it looks beautiful. All the alcohol out, there is literally so much, it's a joke. If we drink all of this tonight, I am not gonna make it into 2024. Guys, I'm also really struggling for an outfit. It's stressing me out. So I really want to wear these trainers because I will not last all night in heels, and tonight needs to be one of those nights that I dance the night away and just have fun, enjoy myself and not worry about my feet hurting. So trainers it is. So I want to go with these baggy jeans. So they're kind of like what I'm building the outfit around. So then I've also got this like little crop top which has got like a little feather bit on the top which is quite cute. My other option is this top, which, I mean, it doesn't look like a top on here, but I promise you it is. It's like a halter neck, like scoop neck kind of top. It's backless. That's the only bit that stresses me out a little bit. This is literally holding my whole life together. I feel like it could be so dressy and so cute, but is it practical? Big fat no. Oh, I'm gonna have to ask John and Frosty to give me some outfit tips and maybe hype me up to wear this one. Frosty and John!
These guys convinced me to go for this chainmail top.
I'm old, I can't do it.
I'm old.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the worst vlog ever.
Hands up. Hands up like this.
Slow it down.
You're going too fast already. You're going so fast.
This is where I show you the before and the after. Oh my goodness. Look at this. You can tell there's been a party here. Like, I actually can't even bring myself to even look at this stuff right now. Like, that is so grim. Like, just, oh, the smell of it is sending me into another dimension. I actually can't. Guys, my hangover today is so bad. I've had to run out and get a McDonald's. We've got a full fat Coke, we've got fries, we've got crispy chicken barbecue wrap, the cheese melt dippers. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Please cure me. Get in my belly. Hi guys, so hangover is gone. It is the next day. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe. I promise not to leave it 6 months this time to make a vlog. I will be making them consistently this year. 2024, new year, new me. Ew, who says that? Ha, bye!